As a leader in the complete integrated delivery of workplace projects, safety is part of M Moser's culture. From the moment you arrive at the work site, make a commitment to working safely. Let us share some fundamental safety measures that we expect of everyone working on an M Moser project. Site security, protective personal equipment (PPE) and safety zones, safety induction brief, permit to work and daily toolbox talks, working at height, general site safety. All employees and visitors must sign in and sign out through site security, wear their M Moser ID at all times, and attend a site safety induction brief. Your personal protective equipment (PPE) can protect you from workplace hazards. PPE includes safety boots, long pants and shirt, high visibility vest, helmet with chin strap, safety glasses and gloves. All M Moser work sites are designated with red and green zones. Full PPE must be worn at all times in the red zone areas, designated as a live construction site, but is optional in green zone areas designated as meeting areas and logistics spaces. M Moser encourages you to take note of the emergency exit signs at the worksite. When an alarm sounds, descend the nearest staircase in an orderly manner and report at the assembly area. All permits to work must be approved by M Moser 1 day before the start of each activity. A daily toolbox talk will highlight specific safety issues based on the safety supervisor's risk assessment of the day's work. Ensure all ladders used are in good condition and have the top 2 rungs sealed. Always climb facing the ladder with 3 points of contact on the ladder at all times. Get a buddy to hold the ladder if working on slippery or uneven surfaces. Stop work when you use your cell phone. Personnel on ladders must descend to ground level to take the call. Use scaffolds instead of ladders when working at a height of 2 meters or more. Scaffolds must be certified safe for use. Never move a ladder or scaffold while another person is still on it. Make sure a safety harness is worn at all times when working on a scaffold. At M Moser, we encourage using the right tools for the right job and inspecting your tools before each use. If a tool is not in good condition, tag it with an X and remove it from the work site. Use a battery-operated tool where possible. All electrically operated tools and equipment on site must be certified safe for use by a trained or licensed electrician. Do not lay electrical extension cables where they could get damaged, such as near heat, wet and oily surfaces, or near sharp edges. A good safety practice is to hang these cables at least 2 meters above ground and using only industrial CEE form connection sockets. Organize debris into designated recycling bins to keep the work site neat and safe. Drinking of water is allowed at the work site, but eating, alcohol consumption, smoking and sleeping are not. Alert your work partner if you observe any unsafe practice. Your timely intervention can prevent an accident and improve a safer environment. For example, if you notice your co-worker falling asleep, react by waking him up and reminding him that it is dangerous to sleep on site. M Moser tries to make work as safe as possible, but we need to apply these safety guidelines to create an accident-free work environment so that nobody gets hurt. We want you to return home safely to your loved ones at the end of every workday. Join us to create a safe workplace. M Moser, creating workplaces for global business safely.